here is a rose. It's a beautiful rose. It's a beautiful rose. Someone comes to me with a rose. It depends on my mind, how I take it. I could look at the rose, so beautiful, and I'll extend my thanks to him for bringing the rose to me. Or, if there is some stress or some not very settled mind, my eyes will fall on this thorn here, and another here, and another here, and another here. The man is coming with the rose, he thinks rose. But if I am stressed, my vision will appreciate not the rose, but the thorn. I'd like to run away. So many thorns he is bringing to me. What he will do to me? This is the situation about the appreciation of any situation. Situation is a situation, innocent situation. Depends on me, how I react to it. That means, to cut the story short, the state of mind, how much mind is in tune with that which is evolutionary. If the mind is in tune with that which is evolutionary, I'll always pick up something that is useful to me. If the mind is deviated from the path of evolution, from the path of natural law, then I'll naturally pick up something that is harmful to me. Just like that. So the people among themselves, they sort out this country, supposing Israel and the neighbor, they say, oh, Islam, they say this Torah, religion, this. Always they doubt each other. Simply because they are stressed. If they are relaxed, they'll naturally like each other. If they are stressed, they'll naturally hate each other. And when they are stressed and a situation not to appreciate each other, then they will shake hands. But inside, the hand will shake, will tremble.